What if I told you that Earth just had a close encounter with an asteroid, and almost no one knew about it? On December 3, 2024, space watchers detected something unusual hurtling towards our planet. But this wasn't your typical space rock. It was a tiny asteroid, barely the size of a beach ball. Measuring just 70 centimeters across, this cosmic pebble was spotted a mere 12 hours before it entered Earth's atmosphere. Talk about cutting it close. The asteroid made its fiery descent over Russia's remote Yakutia region, creating a spectacular light show for anyone lucky enough to witness it. Now, you might be thinking, should we be worried? But here's the fascinating part. Asteroids this small pose virtually no threat to us. They typically burn up completely in our atmosphere, never reaching the ground. It's nature's own fireworks display. What makes this event truly remarkable is how rarely we detect such small objects before they enter our atmosphere. It's like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. This detection showcases the incredible advancements in our asteroid tracking capabilities. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there might be a tiny space traveler out there, preparing to give Earth a surprise visit. Our planet is constantly engaged in a cosmic dance, and we're getting better at watching every step.